Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Grace, and first of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies with peppermint barks. So let's get started. This is a very easy recipe and perfect for the holidays. And I have the peppermint barks, these peppermint bark squares. I take these out of the wrapper and break them into pieces. So you could just break it with your hand. It's not hard to do it at all. Very easy. So I'm going to get all the dry ingredients ready. So this is going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Also gonna get half a cup. That's 2.5 cups of flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. To make sure the cookie is nice and chewy and soft, you want to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Always a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness and balance it out. Okay, I'm going to mix all this together with a whisk. Make sure your eggs are room temperature, and also same goes for the butter. I'm going to be using 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is room temperature. That's going to really make sure your cookie is nice and chewy. So just notice I'm using the paddle attachment. To this I'm going to add room temperature 2 sticks of butter. It's melted a little bit. I have 2 cups packed of brown sugar. So I'm going to add that to the butter and mix it up. Adding the 2 eggs. So I just added the 2 eggs, and again remember the eggs needs to be room temperature. I just mix this for a couple of minutes, that's all you need. And just want to show you the consistency. So that's how the butter, egg, and the brown sugar mixed together looks like. Just to kick it up a notch, I'm adding 1/4 cup of peanut butter. That's gonna give it a really nice nutty flavor, and it's gonna give that extra taste to the chocolate chip cookies. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Always remember to use really good vanilla because it's worth every bit of it. It smells so good in here. The vanilla, the brown sugar, it smells amazing. You don't want to do them all at the same time because it'll create lumps. So I'm going to do it in a couple of batches. So I have about 1/3 of the flour mix added, and I'm gonna slowly mix this. I'm gonna add the rest of the flour. I'm getting the flour everywhere, but that's okay. Have a little bit of fun while you're doing it. This is a peppermint bark. So it has chocolate on the other side and peppermint white chocolate in the front. And I broke these into pieces with your hand. This is what I'm going to be adding into the dough. I'm taking half of this dough to add the peppermint bark. The other will be just plain chocolate chip cookies. That looks like that's about half. Add the peppermint bark. If there are any big pieces, just make them smaller. That should do it. Just fold them in. So I'm ready to bake these. I have 2 trays lined with parchment papers and just make small cookies. So this dough should make about 35 to 40 cookies based on the size of the cookie that you're making. So I'm gonna make medium-sized cookies. Put this out of the way. Scoop like that and just drop it. They smell so good. My son loves cookie dough. I'm trying to keep him away, otherwise he'll eat this whole thing. You want to make sure the cookie is spread it apart because they will expand as they bake. I'm not going to bake all these. I'm going to freeze half of it because it'll be way too many cookies for us to eat. So I'm not going to make all of it. So this is the ones with the peppermint bark. I'm going to do the same thing with those. A little bit of water and just shape them into place. If you have leftover dough, shape it into a log like this. Roll it up, twist the two ends, and then freeze it like this. When you're ready to use them, unwrap, slice them, and then place it on a cookie sheet and bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 12 minutes. These are delicious cookies. I hope you guys will try this recipe and have fun making the cookies. Wishing you and your family a safe and happy holidays. If you are watching my channel for the first time and you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.